So my Shani, your question you had about Shani, right? Yeah. My Shani, the most painful thing when it started was to get out of my Jupiter skin. That was the biggest problem I had. So I started tasting failures. I started tasting hurdles. I started getting no for an answer. See, that was one thing which was very different. आदत नहीं थी.
मेरे साथ ऐसा
alien.
Alternate universe.
हाँ, मेरे साथ ऐसे कैसा हो रहा है, right? My dreams were getting shattered daily, on a daily basis. जो कि मुझे कभी आदत नहीं थी, ऐसा नहीं होता था मेरे साथ. As I said, I still feel the blessing of Jupiter always stays with me. So financially ऐसा नहीं था कि I was in a big problem या job चली गई या इस तरह का हुआ. But now everything became difficult. Everything was uphill. I had to do a lot of hard work to get very little. Right? If you ask me, Shani period, practically you have to put in around 150% at best to get 50% out of it. And if you get 50%, you feel blessed about it. क्या मिल गया 50%, right? लेकिन उतना पानी आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. So for me, it was a little difficult because what happened was during that period, I had to leave my home because A, I was having some issues with the home itself, and B, I got a role in Bangalore. तो अब यहाँ मैं जुपिटर के सिचुएशन में रह रहा हूँ, बड़ा घर, luxury, everything great. Suddenly I moved to a rental place, and that rental place turned out to be a wrong choice because I did it online. So I'm sitting in a very compact house. So see, suddenly Shani ने पहले तो space constrict कर दिया, right? So I'm in this house. Now I took a house near to the office so that way I don't have to work on traffic. So I used to walk. Now notice that I was sitting in an AC car with a driver in Pune going to my office. I'm in Bangalore in a smaller house walking to office every day. Yeah. Correct? So I'm not saying that those are tough times. I'm just saying the scenario has changed.
शनि literally सड़क पे ले आया आपको.
Literally सड़क पे ले आया. और अच्छा, और मजेदार बात बताता हूँ. मैंने जो दूसरा रोल लिया, I got a new boss, right? So I told you, Jupiter में my bosses love me. मतलब अडॉप्ट करना बाकी रह गया था मेरे को उन लोगों ने, right? अब जैसे ही मैं यहाँ पे आया in the new role, my boss used to berate me. He used to insult me. He used to show me what I am not doing right. Yeah. Every day going to the office, मेरे को ये था, अरे यार आज सुनना पड़ेगा, आज क्या गलत किया. And for me, it was such a different part. I've never experienced something like that. I initially was offended कि भाई तुम मतलब एक तरह से जुपिटर में आप जब रहते हो तो आप तो उसमें रहते हो ना, पूरी लाइफ आपने ऐसे निकाली, तुम जानते हो तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो, इस तरह का, राइट? Jupiter is not, I would say, in a wrong sense, right? But there is an ego involved, yes. Right? The Sagittarian ego comes in play. Yeah. So my ego was bruised. I was battered. I was wallowing in my old glory. जब मैं यहाँ था तब मैं ऐसा था. Those are the
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन.
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, right? But you know what? I would say that probably Shani का जो time starting का निकला इतना tough, somewhere halfway down the line or little more than the halfway of that period, that is when I started to slowly understand what Saturn is trying to tell me. This is, I would say, a little bit of a turnaround, right? Of what Saturn is trying to tell me. And I think this is important because, see, what happens is a lot of the things in Jupiter you do because of gut feel, right? You do a lot of gut feel stuff. I've done my share of gut feels in Jupiter. I've done my share of investments. Actually, this is what I was telling my wife the other day. Whatever investments I made in Jupiter and sold them in Jupiter, they did very well. The ones which carried over in Saturn, horrible situation. They get put to test by Saturn and your decisions are questioned by Saturn every day. So my suggestion is, if you have bought a property in Jupiter, sell it in Jupiter. Don't bring it into Saturn. बहुत time लग जाएगा, right? So what I started to understand was I have to move away from gut feel to proper planning. I have to move away from high level thinking to detailing. I have to move from little effort, more output to a lot of hard work, less output, right? But I have to focus on value. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें समझ में आने लगी, I would say. And I became a little more accepting of my own follies, a little more accepting of my own failures. I was a little more patient on people, patient towards people, I would say, right? On their reaction. So my boss, who used to berate me, suddenly I look at him and I see Saturn. तो मैं तो हर दिन सुबह पहुंच जाता था, शनिदेव आज क्या करना है बताओ.
तेल वेल तो नहीं डाल दिया उसके ऊपर?
नहीं, the moment, but I had to tune myself like that, right? Okay, every person I meet is Shanidev telling me what to do. And एक और relationships, very important, right? Relationships are Jupiter के time पे ना, I would say I had great relationships during Jupiter, but I always used to look at them with my purple glasses of life, right? Whatever color I want to give them. I always used to tweak relationships as per my liking, my convenience. Everything was around me. But Saturn में ऐसा नहीं है. Saturn में you are not at the center. You are actually a supporting role, and you'd better do a good job in supporting your relationships. You have to respect them, value them, support them. So this is what I have seen in my Shani Mahadasha. There were delays. Oh, not Shani Mahadasha, Shani period. There were delays, right? There were adjustment. There is grind. There were hurdles, right? Nothing would get done in one go. I stopped feeling special. The most important thing. I started to feel like a common man. I think आप पहले बोल रहे थे ना, he's a common man with a lot of responsibility. That's exactly what I have become. पहले मैं वो नहीं था. Internally in my mind, I was a mini celebrity. In my mind, nobody else would think like that, but I would think like that. यहाँ पे मैं common man बन गया, right? So that's how my Shani period has been.
You know, this is what I was having a discussion with Divya about this, and I said कि anybody going through Jupiter should always remember कि आगे कौन बैठा है.
Exactly.
जो भी तुम उत्पात मचा रहे हो जुपिटर में, वो कॉपी पेंसिल लेके बैठा हुआ है बिग बॉस. और जब भी टाइम आएगा बड़े पापा ही सबका हिसाब किताब कर देंगे. So one should be very, very cautious.
Exactly.
So if you are in your Jupiter period and you think you can bulldoze your way, remember what's coming. And if you are in your Mercury period, again remember Ketu Baba आ गया.
Exactly. Exactly.